Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Kia Forte, and on this Kia Forte we're going to go over the process of replacing or being able to remove this housing that holds this light, which is your daytime running light, and also the housing or assembly for the blinker on the front of your vehicle. In case they're broken, a rock has hit them and broken, this lens is cracked. And so with the bumper removed from the vehicle, we can now go around the back and be able to unscrew the screws that hold those housings in to be able to replace them. So this is the one for the daytime running light. We've got 3 screws to remove. And they're just a Phillips. With that removed, then you can just pull the whole element out and be able to replace it with a new one. Basically, if this lens gets cracked, depending on certain states, you won't be able to pass your safety inspection with it. So you would just buy a whole new housing element here and then replace it. So you just remove those 3 screws and your whole housing element comes off. So then when you got your new one, just there's a tab on the top, on both tops, to get them to line up in there and hold on there, and then just put your 3 screws back in, tighten them. So that's how you do for the daytime running light. The one for the blinker is essentially the same, except that you've got 4 screws to hold the whole housing in. And with those 4 screws removed, now you can just pull the whole housing back and out to be able to replace this housing element. So if the lens here is broken, you'll buy just a new element here to be able to put this in. And if it's just this plastic piece, you would just need to buy this plastic piece. But of course you would need to remove this piece as well as this, and these are just held in by little clips that you press open and pull out. But you got your new housing. You'll just take it, line it up, slide it back into place, and then tighten your 4 screws back in. With the 4 screws put back in, it's now completely secured and housed in there. And now you're able to put it back on the vehicle, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.